Hey guys, thanks for checking out my channel. What I'm doing in this video is edging in a detailed edge using a brass edger, a magnesium float, and a detailed edger. So what I'm doing here is just angling the edger just a little bit, scraping up some cream off the surface, just a little bit, filling in any pockets or voids. And what you want to do is you want to angle it a little bit and just shape that curve. So now I'm just going to hit that outside edge, scrape up some cream, press it down. I like to press it down because there could be some stones at the surface, and just hitting it down will push the stones below the surface a little bit further. So now I'm just going to hit it with the float. Sort of a circular motion works best. It also helps flatten out the concrete as well. So just shaping that edge a little bit better. These little things take a lot of time, so you gotta move quickly and you gotta make fast decisions. So just kind of wiping down the border, back and forth. The most important thing about putting these edges in is to make sure that you get that first edge in. So try to get in there and cut in that line as soon as the concrete goes down, because you never know, sometimes the wind can pick up, it can be a hotter day than normal, lots of variations can happen, so it's always good to make sure that you're going to get your edging done right away. Then later on you don't have to fight it, you get a nice smooth line. Everything comes together a lot better when you get your edge in. So here I'm just going to use this detailed edger to create the border, and I apply a little bit of pressure on that corner. It makes a big difference, because what I'm going to do now is just push it down along that line to make sure that we get a nice even border edge and that it's consistent. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.